Hello guys, today's dish is a well-known Filipino staple dish, pork belly adobo in soy sauce. Now, as you can see, we have the chopped pork belly, and the first ingredients is a whole garlic, black pepper, corn, bay leaf, brown sugar, vinegar, the white vinegar, and the soy sauce. There you go. Smash the garlic head using your hand. And squash it. And start to peel every cloves. Then chop it. Mince it medium, not too fine. There you go. Even the chopping board is dancing with the rhythm. Look at that. Then you have to move it to the bowl of the pork belly. Next is the soy sauce. The peppercorn. The brown sugar. The vinegar and the bay leaves. There you go. And add half teaspoon of the ground pepper for taste. Then you have to mix it well together. There you go. But don't worry, every mixture will penetrate inside the pork belly, because I'm going to be using a vacuum puck. There you go. And I'm moving it, I'm dividing it into two portions. And then add the mixtures or the marinade. Then cover and vacuum. There you go. Great. Instead of overnight, you can just do it 25 minutes using the vacuum pack. But anyway, I have a cup and a half of water on the other container. I'm washing all the pork belly to avoid the burnt of the garlic and the peppercorn when you're going to brown it in the pan. There you go. Wash it well. No particles attached to the pork. There you go. Nice and easy. And then now you have to put all the marinade on that 1.5 cup of water, and you're going to be using that when you're boiling and making the pork belly soft in the process. Well, anyway, I put little oil to brown all those pork belly. You have to brown it the two sides. I guess this is enough to put all of those belly cuts in that pan. And there you go. I'm using a splatter. And here you go. It's nice and brown. And then we're gonna add the mixture or the marinade. And we have to cover it with Not the splatter, but the lid of the frying pan. Yep, that one sticked. There you go. Everything should be soaked in the marinade and then cover it for 30 to 40 minutes, and here is the outcome. It produces silky sauce and on the process of decrease. And now I'm plating it. Look at the sauce. It's thick and silky sauce. So good. Wow. Great. It's darker a little bit than the usual one because of the soy sauce. And now I'm just garnishing it with green pepper. Don't forget to press the like button to help me promote my channel. Share and subscribe. Then press the all button. Thank you so much and have a good one and enjoy!